Hey everyone, Rich here. Today we are going to test AI's Google hack on how to do easy peel hard-boiled eggs. Let's get her going. Okay, so here's what we're going to need. We are going to need a full tray of ice cubes. We are going to need, I'm using 6 eggs, a slotted spoon to drop the eggs in as well as lift them out, and a pot, of course, to boil your eggs in with 1 inch of water in it. 1 inch of water in the pot. We almost have a rolling boil. A couple more minutes and we'll be there. Yes, a rolling boil. What we're going to do now is we're going to grab the eggs. They're right here. Bring them over here. Grab our slotted spoon. Okay. There's our rolling boil. She's on max pretty much. We're going to drop each egg in with a slotted spoon gently and slowly. I admit, I totally broke an egg, but it happens. Sometimes these things are delicate, but if you get that roll and boil too much, it'll actually break, it'll break the eggs easier for sure. So just maybe less of a roll and boil and don't break any. Okay, there we go, we got 5 eggs on there. So we're gonna boil these for the next 10 minutes. And then we're gonna let them sit for 5, just in the water. And then I'll tell you what's next after that. Okay, so that's 10 minutes at a hard boil. Now we are going to turn it off and cover it with a lid. And take it off the stove, let it simmer. Simmer, Jimmy. Okay, and we're gonna come back in 5 minutes and we'll check it out from there. And now it's time to prepare a water bath. What you need is some kind of bowl. I'm using a rice pot, that's all I have because I'm poor. Be nice. An hole. Okay, water bath. I'm gonna use a whole tray of ice. Oh, maybe not. Where's the tray? I'll use 2/3 of it. Okay, that's fractions for you. Okay, there we go. That's good enough. And we're going to drop the eggs in. The eggs have been sitting for 5 minutes now, probably like actually 6 or 7 with a lid on, so they've been kind of steaming at the same time. So these should come off pretty easily. Slotted spoon. Grab your eggs. Just drop the eggs into the ice bath to shock them. So there we go. 5 hard-boiled eggs to sit in a water bath for the next 10 minutes to shock them, and then we're going to start peeling them. Why do eggs like an ice bath? Because they're hard to beat when they're chilled. Okay, so there we go. They've been sitting for like 10 minutes in their ice bath. These are ready to get peeled. So we're going to run the water and start peeling. Yeah, those peel really easy. Really easy. Look how easy it comes off. Done. Comes off so easy. seconds. Done. Comes off so easy. It's crazy. Definitely a good hat. And the fifth and final one. Wow, it's unreal. Usually clean up for this. This is all I do. Just dump the water off. Try to keep the eggshells out, and then just dump that. Dump that in the garbage. And that is a great hack by Google. Easy peel hard-boiled eggs. Yummy salted hard-boiled eggs. So good. Perfect hard-boiled eggs in less than half an hour. Add mayonnaise, green onions, white onions, celery, and anything else your heart desires to make an egg salad.